welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marilyn, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today I'm going to be unboxing this Influencer VoxBox that I received like almost a month ago. It has like no description of the box around, so we will see what it is in a bit. These are actually pretty strong for being that small. Ta-da! What did I get? Ooh, I got a Too Faced foundation or something. Concealer? I'm not sure. I'm excited. I got the Too Faced Born This Way Natural Finish Foundation. So this is what the card looks like. Ooh, I'm excited. I didn't expect this. So this is what the little box looks like. It is the Too Faced Born This Way oil-free, undetectable, medium to full coverage foundation. So hopefully it's my color because I actually need a new foundation because I'm almost finished with the one that I have right now. I've never used a Too Faced foundation before, so this is going to be my first time. And they actually sent me the shade Honey. I know the lighting kind of sucks right now. I didn't really fix my lighting today. Okay, so this is the oil-free foundation. Masterfully diffuses the line between makeup and skin. Coverage so undetectable and skin so naturally flawless. Okay, I'm really excited, so I'm going to open this up. Let's see. This is the foundation. Another package. It looks exactly like the concealer that I used to have like 2 months ago. Let's open it up. Okay, I like that it has a pump. And let's check this out. Okay, just a little tinsy drop. So that's the color right there. I think it does look like my color. Maybe I need to get a little more tan. See, this is the color I use right now. Oh, actually, I'm not sure. I think it might be too dark. Here, let me blend it out. Okay, I think this is a little too dark. I definitely need to get tanned. Okay, look at that. You can see the difference. Okay, I need to go outside in the sun again. Okay, this is kind of disappointing, but maybe I could actually mix it with a Becca foundation because this one's actually too white for me. So maybe mixing these two will work. We will see. And it actually feels like lightweight. It doesn't feel sticky or anything, and it does look natural. I don't know if you guys can see that. It doesn't look cakey or anything, at least not on my hand. So I will be trying this foundation out tomorrow, but I will be mixing it with the other foundation because this is going to be too dark for me. I was actually this color before and I bleached my skin. Now I have to go back to dark. But anyways, I'm really excited that they sent me a foundation and hopefully I could make it work. Let's see, it says medium to full coverage, oil-free, hydrating, infused with skin-loving coconut water, alpine rose, and hyaluronic acid, vegan and cruelty-free. Let me know in the comments below if you guys are signed up to Influencer and if you guys also got the Too Faced foundation. And if you did you guys get the right color? I will have Influencer linked in the description box so you guys could go check them out and sign up. It is completely free. All you have to do is like connect your social media and review stuff that you already have at home, and then they will eventually send you emails so you could join a campaign and receive stuff. So yeah, anyways, that is all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye guys.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.